Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin to your Instagram page using Facebook Business Suite. This is incredibly useful when you're managing a business account and need to give team members access to help with content, engagement, or analytics without sharing your personal login credentials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log in using your Facebook business account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page from this menu. This is an important step because it ensures you're working within the right business context rather than your personal profile. You'll now be directed to your Facebook business management page. From this screen, scan the left navigation menu and locate the option labeled Meta Business Suite. Click on it to proceed. Meta Business Suite is the central hub where you can manage all your connected business assets, including Instagram pages, so this is where we'll be doing most of our work. Once you're in the Meta Business Suite dashboard, look for the profile dropdown at the top of the screen, click on it, and a business portfolio selection will appear. Here, you'll see a gear icon which represents your business settings. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to access the full business settings panel. This is where you can manage permissions, users, and all the administrative features of your business portfolio. Inside the business portfolio settings, locate the users option on the menu and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear with different user management options. From this drop-down, click on People. This section allows you to view and manage everyone who has access to your business assets. To add a new person under your Meta Business Suite, look for the plus Invite People button at the top of the screen and click on it. An information window will pop up, prompting you to enter the email address of the person you wish to add as an admin. Type in their email address carefully and then click Next. On the next screen, you'll be asked to assign access levels to this user. You have the option to grant full control access, which gives them complete administrative rights, or you can click on the View Advanced Options dropdown for more granular customization. This is where you can fine-tune exactly what this person can do within your business suite. Once you've set the access level, assign the relevant assets to this user by clicking Next, and you'll be directed to the Assign Asset step. Now click on the drop-down menu and a list of all your business assets will appear. This includes any Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, or WhatsApp business accounts connected to your Meta Business Suite. Scroll through the list and look for the specific Instagram page you wish to add an admin to. Click the checkbox next to it, then click Confirm Selection. After that, set the specific assets and permissions you want this admin to have access to, then click Next again. You'll now be on the review screen where you can double-check the invitation details for this new admin. Carefully review the page and assets you've assigned, along with the correct email address where the invitation will be sent. This is your last chance to make sure everything is accurate before sending out the invitation. Once you've confirmed all the details are correct, click on Invite with the Number of Assets button. And that's it. The invitation has been sent to the new admin, and once they accept it, they'll have access to manage your Instagram page according to the permissions you've set. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.